The power of digital is rapidly evolving. Industries are being reformed right before our eyes, and new industries are being born. Digital disruption is bringing down costs, challenging decades-old business models, and setting a new playing field for innovative companies. The global health pandemic of COVID-19 and the subsequent equities market fluctuations have businesses searching for ways to operate in a negative growth market cycle. They need to reduce operational costs. And we're doing it by building and funding the future of renewable energy production. Our builds are backed by multiple funds to support and drive positive sustainability outcomes. We're accelerating the transition to a net zero emission future, while also stimulating economic growth, lowering the cost of operations, and creating new jobs across Australia and New Zealand. Electricity production for the better part of a century has been centred around fossil fuels, with costs rising every year. However, consumption is now evolving for the first time in over 100 years. Electric vehicles are becoming more mainstream, creating a need for more clean energy production. Coal power stations are being decommissioned, making way for solar and wind renewable power assets to feed our energy supply demands. The balance of how much electricity is generated versus how much we consume and how we buy it is changing right now. We are bringing forward the evolution of the energy market by funding, building and operating energy assets, utilising AI and the Internet of Things. We're creating a new type of power company, one that works alongside your existing utility retailer as we generate and sell power at the lowest price. We're building a network of solar PV power stations across the nation to support businesses by reducing operating costs. Through us, our customers can access smart and simple 100% renewable energy plans.
Hello, I'm Jack Kapoor. Over the last 12 months, we've been working to scrutinize the energy marketplace and create new, lower-cost energy solutions for businesses. We aim to create better solutions for our customers that have clear differentiations and miles ahead of what is available currently in the market. Customers are in a hard spot in these interesting times. Whilst the long-term energy market view is evolving, we know for sure in the short term that businesses have had reduction in their energy needs. Teams are working from homes, manufacturing production timings have been amended or suspended, and business demand patterns have flipped. Still in this transition, renewables is a no-brainer. We engaged over 100 business electricity customers and identified 3 core things that they are looking for. Firstly, they want to hold on to their cash and minimize capital investment. Secondly, they are reducing their operating expenses, especially energy cost. And thirdly, they want to minimize any long-term commitments. Even during COVID, we have seen the installation of renewables at one of the highest level it's ever been. However, these customer installation commitments and asset orders were placed pre-COVID. Now our customers are realizing that the cost of doing nothing is too high, both in the short and medium term, as customers continue to miss out on significant operating cost reductions available from renewable energy.
Hello, I'm Aris Avardis, and we're excited to share the release of our newest energy plan. The product has been developed to be innovative and designed to support businesses to transition towards 100% renewable and lower cost power. Utilising cutting-edge technology, we are bringing forward changes to conventional energy procurement and challenging the long-term renewable contracts. These times are different, and current market products were structured for a different millennium. We understand customers are holding onto cash right now and don't want to make long-term investment decisions to own solar assets. We understand this. Agile is an energy plan with a contract term as low as 5 years, compared to traditional 15 and 20-year contracts. You are contracted as a power purchase agreement, also known as a PPA, we become an additional retailer for you, installing, operating, and maintaining a solar solution at your premises. And our customers will procure lower cost energy produced from the solar asset. This solution does not require our customers to change their utility energy contracts or retailer. This is a supplementary contract to your existing energy agreement. Basically, you maintain your current black power agreement whilst reducing the consumption on it by procuring from this lower cost green power agreement. We have benchmarked and proven that the annual savings for our average customer is 32% lower than energy retailer rates. Now, if you're not sure what a PPA is, it is a simple agreement where the customer commits to buy green energy volume for a set term and specified rate. It is directly comparable to how we all buy power now from utility retailers and for every size of business. Agile Energy Plan means you only pay the energy rate as the asset is installed on your site behind the meter. And the beauty about Agile is that you will not have to pay network charges or any other charges. Now, this is important as network charges are positioned to increase across Australia as the electricity grid undergoes upgrades with the changing energy production. So let's talk about Agile. Whilst there's nothing in the market with such a short term, we also support our customers for landlord management and approval. To install solar, we manage all permitting and structural certifications, and our customers can choose to leave after 5 years with no payout. We will leave the system on the roof to keep generating. Customers also have the flexibility to exit anytime during the term by novating the energy agreement to the incoming tenant. We've also included flexibility with the rollover contract for a lower post-term rate. We will also underwrite the performance, monitoring, and maintain the quality of the asset. Practically, it's a no-hassle solution for you.
And today we have got some exciting news. In a very short period, we have seen strong market momentum and customer uptake of the Agile Energy Plan. In addition, we have been joined by international partners and large global energy players outside the Australia and New Zealand markets to further invest and enhance the Agile Energy Plan product. As a result of international partnerships and customer feedback, we initiated a strategic review to immediately commence the rebrand from ANZ Power to Agile Energy. The change to Agile Energy is aligned to geographical model expansion and supports entry into additional energy markets via our partners, particularly in Asia, India, and the US. The Agile Energy brand complements our vision for supporting businesses across the nation and globally transition to 100% renewable and lower cost power.
So let's talk about the value chain for Agile. Firstly, it's the shortest term in the market. It's backed by impact investment, complemented by AI and IoT technology, which helps with response time and ensures that we bring you energy supplied at the lowest risk and lowest cost. And it's backed by 24/7 technical support. During our program construction, you will have program visibility, meaning you'll always know what's happening at your sites and be able to plan with our team the milestones. And overall, you'll be able to deliver on your brand promise, making sure that you're bringing a sustainable product and solution to your customers with solar green energy. Now, the quality and the risk is something we're going to manage. We're always maintaining and we're always watching, which means if there's ever an issue on site, we'll be able to send our technicians and make sure that the quality equipment that we installed is always performing optimally. And last of all, you'll always know that you're going to have the lowest energy rate in the market. Getting a quotation only takes a minute, so please visit our website and complete the short form.
We're taking this to market through our exclusive partners. These partners are your local energy experts and have had years of experience in installing renewable solutions. If you're interested in taking the Agile Energy Plan to the market, please reach out to us. Thank you and welcome to Agile Energy.